Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error Windows resource protection found corrupt files but was unable to fix some of them. Fix error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And the first workaround is turn your Windows in safe mode and apply system file checker in safe mode. Run sfc scan now command in safe mode of your Windows. So first we will go to safe mode. How to enter safe mode in your system? Right click on a start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type msconfiz msconfig and click on OK. System configuration window will now open. Here from the top menu bar, go to boot and under boot option, click on save boot minimal and click on apply and OK to save the changes, and your computer will boot into safe mode. After booting into safe mode in your system, go to Windows search in safe mode. For example, I have not proceeded with safe mode. This is normal window, but you can proceed with safe mode. Go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt windows. Run as administrator mode. Choose yes if pop-up window will appear, and in command prompt windows, execute first these three DISM tool one by one. DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows. Don't forget to press enter on each entry, and after that execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your system error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. On same safe mode window, go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt windows. Run as administrator mode. A pop-up window will appear. Choose yes, and in command prompt windows, execute the command after blinking cursor chkdskcf/r/s and press enter. Choose yes and restart your system. It will scan your disk error. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system. Here, go to the option recovery. Here, click on the link open system restore. Restore system files and settings page will now open. System restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer slow or responding slow. Click on next, and here restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Choose a system restore point, either automatic restore point. Otherwise, you feel that after Windows updating, such type of error appears, so choose Windows update. Otherwise, automatic restore point and click on next. And finally, confirm your restore point. Window will restore to the previous state when your computer was in good condition, and click on finish and follow on screen instruction to complete the restoration process. That's all.